brand new video. Today we're gonna show you how to comment on your website blog using Facebook. Let me go to one of the websites here and I show you how easy it is. Okay, and oh, Google Boy. Okay, once we on Google Boy, we're gonna see some of the things. It's a little bit slow. Okay, for instance, I want to comment on this post. I read this post. After reading this post, down here I find something like I need to comment. You can comment using your default WordPress word feature, but also there's this feature whereby you comment using what? Facebook, right? So you can log in anytime here, then you say login, then you can log in, then you start commenting. This is what we want. We want to put something like this. For instance, I think we can get on this website, we can get some of the articles whereby people were commented. Then we can show you a live example. Okay, scroll down here. I didn't get okay, there's nothing, but I'm gonna get one thing for you. I should get one for you. Capture these results. Okay, okay, I'm gonna look for one of the charming. Okay, this one should have at least one comment. Okay, one or two. Right, we go here, we scroll down here, scroll down. Yes, we can see that there was one person who commented on this Facebook, on this blog, right? That's cool, super simple. So now what's next? So we want to show you how to get this. You get me? So we want to see which plugin did we use here, so to put it in a second website. So here you can scroll down. I'm looking for WP. Yeah, WP Facebook comments. By who? By Genial Souls. So let's go. Okay, the second website is gonna be here. That's where we're going to install. It's gonna be Google. So this one is gonna be called just code.co.za. okay, then what you do, you go to your plugins folder. Okay, it's gonna be then on plugins you click on new plugin. Okay, on the new plugin, then we're gonna look for WP Facebook book comments. Okay, comments. You say yes. Once you enter, it came in and okay. See, right? So you get a couple of them, but in real life we're looking for the one you saw is called for Genial Souls. We're looking for that specifically. We don't need to get into something we don't know, unless if the plugin was changed, the company changed, something like that. But okay, I can try to put WP. WP Facebook comment by okay, put that. Okay, I can't get what I'm looking for. I should get that specific plugin I'm looking for. What do? Go to the next page and I'll copy that name for these guys, comments, WP whatever comments. Okay, then I can go to the second place where we're searching for the Then we try to see if we can type in this. Okay, then try to search. Right, we got this. This is the what, the plugin. So you can see Facebook comments by Genial Souls. So you can search by that. So I tried to search, then I couldn't get it until when I get this. Okay, that's simple. We install the plugin. After that, you activate the plugin. Well, let's see if it worked. If it didn't work, I'll tell you why. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down, a bit down. Okay, the comments are not here. Why? Just one reason why they are not here. One simple reason is we didn't set it up. So if you want it to work, you go to the plugin itself. It's in, but it needs some what they call, it doesn't show here because it needs login or log out. Okay, it doesn't work here because new spot. Okay, just because we didn't set it up. We have to set it up, and you gave it the Facebook app ID. Okay, you should also find it on your right hand side here. So when you go to settings, post view soccer info. Okay, then why not sold details? This is the guy, I think he wrote this. Okay, let's see. It was activated. Let me see more details. It should give us somewhere where you have to put the Facebook ID, app ID, and all those things. Without them, I don't think it's gonna okay. Like installation. Change log screenshots and all that. Let me try to refresh again. So now we try to see here if we can get something. Go tools. Plugin was a little bit changed, I'm sure. Okay, but I don't think. Okay, when you hear feature, let me see recommended features. Okay. No, let me go to the plugin straight. Yeah, it's here. This is what I was looking for. Facebook comments, you click there. Once you click here, you can see now what you see. It needs your Facebook app ID first to work. Right? If you don't have that, it might not work. So then you set up show comments before SSL. Select your show comments before SSL. Okay, you can say 10 comments, light, whatever. You say width. You can leave everything the way it is, light, dark, whatever you want to do. Okay, theme, top, highest, whatever. Review time, on post. Okay, put it on post. Also revisions, whatever, whenever you want to put them. So I'm gonna say on post for now. Then we say save. Let me save changes and I see if without the app ID if it's gonna work. Right? Still it's getting in. Let's see, it's still saving. Okay, let me click here. It might require us to get that app ID. For now, I don't. Let me see if I have any. I don't have any app ID for now. So what you do, you open a Facebook page. When you open a Facebook page, it's gonna give you the app ID. So the app ID, your app ID, put it in here. So once you put it in here, so you're gonna save. Once you save, it's gonna say, you see even here it gives you that create your app ID. So it says save Facebook app ID. Please check video tutorial. So also click here for app moderation tools. So okay, let me click here. No, I don't want to watch the video, but anyway, we can try something to get the tutorial more beneficial to everyone. It came, guys. This is crazy. It took a long time. Okay, that's good. So but anyway, you need your app ID. So you can see here, you can see you can log in here, then somebody can comment. Oh, that's what we wanted. So it took long to update here, but it's good when you have to create your own Facebook page, then you give it the app ID. You get me? It's gonna be better. But now people can log in Facebook and they start commenting on your blog, just like this. You can see this one is 100% fine. So it's gonna be logged in like this. You get me? So somebody's gonna log in then start commenting. So if you want WordPress, you can leave it to WordPress, but also if you want to, you can take this and take this. So the best thing about this one, because all the information come to your database and the emails for people come to your database, you remain with your clients. But here, once you uninstall the plugin, everything goes right. So now what I'm saying, you can use this plugin to have Facebook comments on your blog. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. If there's something you want to know, please let us know. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.